When you come to the end of your time on programme, you must ensure you have been on programme for a minimum of 12 months. The typical programme length for this qualification is 18 months. Completed all 15 standards as set out in the care certificate. Achieved a level 2 diploma in adult care. Following the completion of the diploma, during the last 3 months of the apprenticeship, you must collate testimonies from people who use the service. In the last month of your apprenticeship, you must also undertake a self-assessment. Completed any functional skills qualifications required. If you have gained this qualification or equivalent previously, you will not be required to do it again. After you have completed all of these, you are now ready for Gateway. Gateway is a meeting scheduled at the very end of your apprenticeship programme. This will involve you, your manager and your assessor. During this meeting, you will discuss progress made and come to an agreement that you are working at or above the occupational standard and that you are deemed to have completed all aspects of your learning. When all parties are in agreement, you will then be put forward for EPA. You must also submit your self-assessment and 2 witness testimonies completed in the final months of your apprenticeship. We ask that if you require any reasonable adjustments or if there are any important information you wish us to take into consideration during the EPA process, you let us know at the Gateway meeting. There are 2 separate elements to the Level 2 Adult Care Worker EPA, and these are Situational Judgment Test and Professional Discussion. Let's take a look at what these elements involve and what you need to prepare for. The test is based on real-life scenario questions. There are 60 questions in total, which are all multiple choice. If you score 40 marks, you will receive a pass. 50 to 54 marks is a merit, and anything above 55 is a distinction. If you gain lower than 40, there are resit options available to you. In the event of a fail, NEPA will provide resit information that is available to you. You have 90 minutes to complete this test. This element will take form as a professional discussion between you and your independent assessor. This discussion will last no longer than 45 minutes. The questions asked to prompt discussion will be based on your learning and experience during your time on programme. There will also be questions based around your submitted self-assessment and testimonies. You can only proceed onto the professional discussion once the situational judgment test has been completed and you have received a minimum result of a pass. The results from your situational judgment test will be available within 2 working days. After you have completed all of the elements, you will get an overall result within 10 working days. If you have to resit any element, you must do so within 6 months of the fail notification. Good luck.